Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and today we're diving deep into the amazing world of cucumbers. You might think of them as just a crunchy addition to your salad, but trust me, these green wonders pack a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. We're talking way beyond simple hydration, although that's definitely a major perk. Get ready to discover 20 incredible reasons why you should be incorporating cucumbers into your daily routine. From boosting your immune system to potentially protecting against chronic diseases, cucumbers offer a surprisingly diverse range of advantages. Let's get started. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health, and cucumbers are here to help. Composed of about 96% water, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating. This high water content helps replenish fluids, keeping you feeling energized and preventing dehydration. Think of it as nature's sports drink, but without the added sugars or artificial ingredients. Adding cucumber to your water can also add a refreshing flavor, encouraging you to drink more throughout the day. Proper hydration supports everything from healthy digestion to glowing skin, so grab a cucumber and stay hydrated. Looking to shed a few pounds? Cucumbers can be your secret weapon. Being incredibly low in calories, cucumbers are a great addition to any weight loss plan. You can munch on them guilt-free, feeling full and satisfied without the extra caloric baggage. Their high water and fiber content contribute to feelings of fullness, helping you manage your appetite and avoid overeating. Incorporate cucumbers into your snacks and meals for a healthy and refreshing way to support your weight loss journey. Cucumbers aren't just water, they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a good source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. They also contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts the immune system. Additionally, cucumbers provide small amounts of other vital nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and manganese. Don't underestimate the nutritional power of this humble vegetable. Chapter 4: Antioxidant Armor. Free radicals can wreak havoc on our cells, contributing to aging and disease. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, which help combat these harmful free radicals. This antioxidant power can help protect your cells from damage, promoting overall health and well-being. Including cucumbers in your diet is a simple way to boost your antioxidant intake and support your body's defense system. Skin Savior. Want radiant, healthy skin? Look no further than the cucumber. Its high water content helps keep skin hydrated and plump, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Applying cucumber slices directly to the skin can also soothe irritation and reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes. The silica in cucumbers also contributes to skin elasticity and firmness. Embrace the natural skincare benefits of cucumbers for a healthy and youthful glow. Blood sugar balancer. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and cucumbers may play a supportive role. Some studies suggest that cucumbers can help regulate blood sugar levels. This may be due to their low glycemic index and the presence of certain compounds that can influence insulin release. While more research is needed, incorporating cucumbers into a balanced diet can be a beneficial step for those looking to manage their blood sugar. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems. Cucumbers possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for managing conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Adding cucumbers to your diet is a natural way to support your body's fight against inflammation. Keeping your digestive system running smoothly is essential for overall health, and cucumbers can lend a helping hand. Their high water and fiber content promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Cucumbers also contain enzymes that aid in digestion, breaking down food more efficiently. Including cucumbers in your diet is a simple way to support a healthy and happy gut. A healthy heart is at the center of overall well-being, and cucumbers can contribute to cardiovascular health. Their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Cucumbers also contain fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Incorporating cucumbers into a heart-healthy diet is a smart move for maintaining cardiovascular wellness. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins, and cucumbers can assist in the detoxification process. Their high water content helps flush out waste products and toxins from the body. Cucumbers also contain antioxidants that neutralize harmful substances. Including cucumbers in your diet is a natural way to support your body's detoxification pathways. Strong bones are essential for mobility and overall health, and cucumbers can play a role in bone health. They contain vitamin K, which is crucial for bone formation and density. Cucumbers also provide small amounts of calcium, another important nutrient for bone health. Including cucumbers in your diet is a simple way to support strong and healthy bones. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that cucumbers may possess anti-cancer properties. Certain compounds found in cucumbers have shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. While cucumbers are not a cure for cancer, including them as part of a healthy diet may offer some protective benefits. Our eyes are precious, and cucumbers can contribute to maintaining healthy vision. They contain antioxidants that protect against age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts. Applying cucumber slices to the eyes can also reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. Embrace the natural eye health benefits of cucumbers for clear and vibrant vision. Struggling with bad breath? Cucumbers can offer a refreshing solution. The phytochemicals in cucumbers can help neutralize odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Chewing on a cucumber slice can freshen your breath naturally. Keep cucumbers handy for a quick and easy way to combat bad breath. Healthy hair starts from within, and cucumbers can contribute to luscious locks. They contain silica, a mineral that strengthens hair and promotes growth. Cucumbers also provide hydration, which is essential for healthy hair. Including cucumbers in your diet can support strong, shiny, and healthy hair. Stress can take a toll on our health, and cucumbers may offer some stress-relieving benefits. Their high water content and refreshing taste can have a calming effect. Cucumbers also contain B vitamins, which are known to support nerve function and reduce stress. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet can be a simple way to manage stress naturally. Healthy joints are essential for mobility and comfort, and cucumbers can contribute to joint health. They contain silica, which strengthens connective tissues and supports joint function. Cucumbers also possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. Including cucumbers in your diet can be a natural way to support healthy joints. Headaches can be debilitating, and cucumbers may offer some relief. Their high water content helps prevent dehydration, a common trigger for headaches. Cucumbers also contain magnesium, which can help relax blood vessels and reduce headache pain. Keeping cucumbers handy can be a natural way to combat headaches. Healthy kidneys are vital for overall health, and cucumbers can contribute to kidney function. Their high water content helps flush out waste products and toxins from the kidneys. Cucumbers also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, reducing strain on the kidneys. Including cucumbers in your diet can be a natural way to support healthy kidney function. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off illness, and cucumbers can contribute to immune health. They contain vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts immune function. Cucumbers also provide other nutrients that support the immune system, such as vitamin A and magnesium. Including cucumbers in your diet is a natural way to strengthen your immune defenses. So there you have it, 20 amazing reasons why cucumbers are more than just a salad topping. From hydration and weight management to boosting your immune system and supporting overall health, cucumbers offer a wide array of benefits. Make sure to incorporate these versatile vegetables into your daily diet to reap their incredible rewards. Whether you enjoy them sliced, diced, juiced, or pickled, cucumbers are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal.